Hi there and welcome back. So I'm here with the final two winter kits. These can be classed as Christmas kits, but they are, more for the season of winter. There won't be any more themed kits up until I release the spring, but I will be doing some more of the mega kits. So I've got a couple of mega William Morris type kits and a neutral. I've called it the Office. So I'm gonna do some more of those big bumper ones over the winter. Okay, so these two, this is Grey Days. This is one what Denise is going to be doing. Did have to arm wrestle her for it because I love this kit, but I equally love this one. So this is, oh my goodness, I love it and I don't know its name. How shocking of me. But yeah, I don't know the grandkids' names off at the time, so that doesn't say a lot. White Woods and Grey Days. Okay, so we'll start off with the Grey Days. Depending how early Denise does this, I may do it if I get a chance towards the end. But there's always next year. I think next year me and Denise will probably do the ones, I'll do some of the ones that Denise did last year and she'll do some of the ones that I did, because there's so many kits now that I just haven't had a chance to do. So Grey Days, let's start with the journal pages. It's a 35-page kit. So we've got this stunning lady and another stunner. Let me just twist that round. I've got coffee there. Okay, we've got some children. Look at these. You can see the rosy cheeks. I love that when when it's cold and you're all wrapped up and you've got really red cheeks. Really like that one. Is that it? Yeah. Then we've got some more foresty type. So very, grey, blue and sepia. I've not, cut the edges off or printed the other side. So this is one of those ones where you get a bit on each side. Same with this one. This one's a lined one. And then we've got the, I don't know what you do call that. I mean, I suppose it's like a graph paper, but I'm sure it's got a special name. Okay, so they're the actual, what you call journal pages. And then some backing pages, which can obviously be used as journal pages too, but yeah, it can be used to make your ephemera and embellishments. So I've got a really dark grey one and one quite a bit lighter. I've got a blue and a blue with some faded florals. Got this grungy text one. Some invoices with these pine. So you could use that portrait or landscape. Okay, so that's the sheets, and then we've got the ephemera. So we've got 2 pockets, more pockets, more pockets, and then some tiny envelopes. We've got a CD envelope. You can either cut that out or, you know, just put something over the top. These ones I thought could be either torn out, or you can go around them, make this into a pocket. So, you know, you can use this at the side as your, or what do you call it, for your gusset. So you could have, you know, 2 large pockets, or they can be large journal cards. Or I suppose you could fold them in half if you wanted. And then with these, which I would call journal cards, or they could be side tucks, you could leave 2 together and, you know, fold them up, make them into a booklet or a opening journal card. And the same with the beautiful ladies. Done some with the trees as well. You can obviously cut these into 4 single ones. You don't have to leave them as the double ones. So you'd have 2, you know, with some decoration on, and then, you know, your background. Or you can, you know, stick those together, so that is your back and that's your front. It doesn't have to be an opening one, but you would want to print on the other side if you was having it as a opening one. And then we've got those ones. I've done those ones so they will be flip up ones instead of that way, but you don't have to, you know, use them that way. Then we come on to the fussy cuts. So we've got some berries and some leaves, and then a couple of lanterns. Well, they are the same, it's just different size. And we've got some florals and berries, some more, you know, arrangements, floral arrangements. You could have this as a page as well. Don't have to cut it out, but yeah, these would be okay to rip out or, you know, kiss cut. Then we've got this is my printer, some labels. I've put some words on a couple of them, but I've left most of them blank. So that's the 35 pages. If you purchase it from the Patreon shop, you get an extra 5 pages. So we've another one of those, an invoicey one. Then we've got some more fussy cuts, which, you know, are more Christmassy. And a Christmas tree and some baubles. One, two, three. Oh, this one. That's come from my printer, that black piece. So we've got invoice, and then these, which could be used as either large journal cards or, you know, as stationery pieces, as like writing paper. So that's the 5 extra. And then this grey, which is like, is it corrugated, ribbed, will be up in Patreon as a freebie. So that is, excuse me, Grey Days. And then I will do white woods. So this is the one I'm going to be doing. White is quite glary on my camera. Okay, I've just brought it a little bit closer. It might cut some of the glare out. So we'll start with the journal pages. It is, again, a 35-page kit. I don't know if you can see that diamante through the middle. Got a winter scene on one side, and then this deer. Another winter scene and a deer down here. It's a bit too close now, isn't it, for me to lift up? I won't lift them up. Okay, they're what you would say are your journal pages. Obviously, this can be used as a journal page as well, or to make your ephemera, etc. And we've got some plainer ones. Got a script one which is portrait but can definitely be used landscape as well. Okay, so that is the pages. Then we'll go on to the ephemera. I'm going to keep it that way so you can, well, so I can fit it in. Some pockets. I think it's the same as the grey days. Ooh. Tiny envelopes. And then some of those cards again, which I spoke quite in depth about on the other kit. So these pieces, I thought you could either tear them out or cut around them, you know, as decoration, or you could use these as pockets or as small journal cards. So I thought they was quite a versatile piece. Same with the bigger ones, you know, that could quite easily be a pocket. Same with that, or you could tear around or cut around, or, you know, cut them like that and it'd be big journal cards. And I like those that much. I did another one. Quite excited to use those. Same with this. I thought it kind of make a nice, you know, side tuck type thing. So they'll be fun to use. Got lots of snowy pines. Some animals. And then some botanicals, some leaves and berries and pines. Again, more pines and cones and berries. Then we've a page of labels and numbers. Okay, so what's that? 2, 3, 4. And then, sorry, my mind went blank. And then another page of labels and tickety bits. So that's the 35 page kit, and then these 5 are extras on the, you know, from the Patreon shop. So we've got this lovely house or lodge. Got the labels in the blue, and with some more botanicals. Another plain sheet, and then this blue one with the snowflakes, yes, snowflakes around it. So that is White Woods. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching the flip throughs, and yeah, it's just nice to have them, because I often get people, you know, message me on Etsy asking for, you know, more information and things, so I can just send them the link to these. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow, and we'll do some crafting. So until then, bye for now.